Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Challenger, stock reference number 5344. This shape runs from the 12th month 2009 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. Left guard has a small fold on the front edge. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. You have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Factory fitted 3-ton rated tow bar with all bolts, brackets, loom. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter. Single stack CD player. Climate control heater controls. Display screen, interior mirror, right hand sun visor and an instrument cluster.